If you have been in this situation whereby your daughter hair will just stick together and you don't know what to do, and at this point of your life you are frustrated, you just feel like cutting the hair off, come let me show you a simple hair mask that you can prepare at home that can help you to moisturize your hair, detangle your hair, and in fact add a lot of shines, a lot of volumes into your hair. A lot of us have been in the same struggle like this when our kids go to the swimming pool, and after that, you all know that we are in summer. Every time our kids go to the swimming pool, their hair is always stick together like this. Sometimes you just don't know what to do when you are taking down the hair. But this hair mask that I'm going to show you on this video today will help you to retouch your kids' hair back again to life, and also help you to moisturize the hair and give you that extra glow. On my blender, I'm going to be adding 1 egg. We have to strengthen the root of your hair. And the next ingredient is going to be banana. Banana help to nourish the hair and add a lot of shine. The next ingredient is going to be avocado and mayonnaise. Avocado and mayonnaise is one of the main ingredients that will really help to soften the hair. It can moisturize your hair and add a lot of shines into your hair. So go ahead and cover it with some extra olive oil and also coconut cream. I do like to blend my ingredient with coconut cream because it also helps to add more moisture into the hair mask. Guys, did you see how the hair mask is looking? It's looking really nice and creamy. And the good part about the hair mask is that you don't need to strain it. You can basically just apply this mask on your hair directly. Did you guys just see my baby girl's hair? Oh my goodness, this hair have been on her head for 3 weeks. My baby girl doesn't like me to do her hair anymore. We have been in a struggle battle whenever we are doing her hair. So every time I put her hair on a protective style like this, she will not let me to touch the hair. And we have been going back to back to swimming pool. You guys know that claw is really not good for our hair. It can really dry out your hair. And I actually didn't know what to do, to be honest. I was so scared, and something just came into my mind because I already prepared this hair mask. I have already used this hair mask on her hair several times. So, and because I was having the ingredient at home, and I'm like, okay, let me just prepare this hair mask and just use it to detangle her hair. As you guys can see on the video, guys, immediately I applied the hair mask on her hair just changed. Everything changed. It was just detangling the hair. I could even run my finger through my daughter's hair. Her hair was so soft and detangled, and it was really moisturized. And then after washing it off was even the best part. The hair was really soft and moisturized, and it was really had a lot of shines. It was really beautiful. You guys are going to see that later on. So if you know that you have a tough hair and your hair is really tough, I would recommend that you be using this hair mask for your hair. This hair mask is not just only going to moisturize your hair, it's also going to help to grow your hair in a very beautiful way and healthy way. As you guys can see my baby girl's hair, I was literally running my finger through her hair, the hair that I could not even touch before, that I didn't even know how to open the hair before, like to unravel the braid before, but now I can put my finger through around the hair, and it was really soft and moisturized. So this is the simple hair mask that you can use on your hair. You literally can use it in every hair type. You can use it in 4C hair, you can use it on your normal hair, and white people's hair you can use it. And you just, after applying the mask on your hair, go ahead and cover it with a plastic bag. You can just leave it to sit on your hair for 40 to 45 minutes. You can go ahead and rinse your hair out. Did you guys just see my baby girl's hair? The hair looks so beautiful. The coils was out. It was soft, moisturized. Like it really worth it. The hair mask really worth it. So I went ahead to put her hair on a simple hair protective style because it's summertime, and we are going to swimming pool every time, so I really don't want to leave the hair out again like before because I don't want to deal with that same struggle again. So I just put her hair on a simple protective style that can really at least last us for a week or 2 weeks before I can go ahead and touch her hair again. So yeah, this is actually what you can do if your hair is dry, if you're having problem with dry, or your hair is just that tough hair. Give this hair mask a try. You can use it for your hair, for your kids hair, for adults. You can use it for kids hair, you can use it on adult hair. It doesn't harm your hair at all. It can really help you to moisturize your hair if you have a tough hair. And of course, if you also just want to moisturize your hair, if you need some nourishing natural ingredients on your hair, try this one out. It will definitely work for you. I hope you guys like and enjoy this video today, and thank you guys once again for coming to watch my video back to back, for coming back to watch my video. I really appreciate all of you. Thank you for your love and support. Thank you. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribing button, and also follow us on other social media platforms. Have a great day. Bye.